everyone, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to show you how to do basic kawaii makeup for both Lolita fashion and cosplay. I use this makeup for both if I'm filming or in more over-the-top outfits. Also, of note, this is not Lolita. I am in a maid outfit because I'm about to become a cat maid. I like both. You just gotta know what the difference is, and then most people will be happy with you. So also, note, there is some smudged mascara. I got home from work. Normally you'd use a completely clean face for this, but I just put on concealer and mascara this morning and don't want to wash my face too many times because I have very dry skin. So the first thing I like to do here is put on my concealer kind of in this little dot pattern. Kind of blend it out. And this might be slightly too pale for me. That is okay. We're gonna put my foundation on top of it because my nice matched concealer and foundation expired. So I had to go get some stuff from the store recently. Now I take highlighter stick. I do my contouring for camera underneath my foundation. I also like to contour my lower jawbone. I highlight it and then I also contour underneath it. I'm about to look like a crazy person, but I promise you, it works once you blend it together. Yeah, it's about to look really weird. You just kind of blend it with your fingers. This is not a professional technique. This is just what I do. Now, when you sufficiently look like a ghost, I like to contour my nose because I really like my nose. I like my nose to stand out, because I think my nose is one of the cutest things on my face. I may also contour underneath the jawbone. And then I use a stippling brush. Oh, I forgot to actually grab my foundation. I'll be right back. You can apply this same theory, but matching your own skin tone. Also, I need to wash this after today. You just kind of dip, and you just kind of pop it over the contour, kind of blend it. This is a pretty heavy look. I mainly just use it for filming and photography. I don't really leave the house with this makeup because it requires a lot of foundation to look right on top of it. But it films really nicely, so you generally want to kind of dab it, but I found that actually kind of moving the brush along with it does help it blend out better. Yeah, it's kind of stuck in that location for some whatever reason or another. I'll have to. So now I have a contoured face. Sometimes, like today, I'm definitely going to like pat it down a little bit. Because like once it's blended out, it looks nice, but it can sometimes be a little heavy. Especially if I'm using a cheaper foundation, which I was. This also kind of helps me double check to make sure I actually blended it all out. because I have had it before where I will forget to blend the temple contour. Alright, and when we're just doing kind of general kawaii makeup, what I like to do is take a pink. Yes, I use my fingers like a heathen. Just put a pink all over the lid. Then take a light brown. I'm using a pinky brown because I have a pink undertone, but if you have like a warm undertone, you might want to use a warmer one. But yeah, it's your face. Do what you want. The idea is just to kind of, and then we pull that shape around underneath, just like you'd see in those J-Fashion magazines. And I sometimes like to put a little bit of pink glitter on the top of the eyelid. And then I take a highlighting color, put it in the inner corner, outer, on the brow bone. Take eyeliner. I'm gonna do a thin bar to start with because you can always build up. I say as I accidentally make it really big at the ends. I always do, but I find that actually looks pretty cute, having it be thinner and then build up, and then we're going to pull it down. Kind of a cute look here. Do that on the other side. There we go. I accidentally got a little bit in the corner. That's okay though. We can work with that and just kind of make it an intentional part of the look. Because it's still cute, even if it's not what we were going for in the first place. Normally I would put on false lashes, but I've been finding recently that I like letting the eyeliner dry and then putting it on. So next, we gotta put on blush. We do not recontour on top of it though. The contour for kawaii makeup, if you're contouring, goes underneath your foundation, so it is less obvious. I like it. Some people when they contour, it makes their face shape a little too harsh. For me, I like the result, especially if I'm getting in cosplay. Yeah, and if you feel a little funky, put a little blush on your nose. Put a little lip gloss on. Got our lip gloss on. Okay, my lash glue, there it is. And I've got my falsies. You kind of use whatever style you like, but I find like the kind of spiky ones, I think look the cutest. And I like kind of the brush on instead of the squeeze on because you can kind of control it a lot better on the lash. Also, lashes are hard. Oh, I realized I forgot to film this portion, so I'll just clip it in. Here's what the final look looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena.